Alrighty guys, so I had made a video of me getting a PS2 that I bought online that was not working, and the video didn't turn out right. The lighting was really bad, you couldn't see most of the video. Excuse me. So unfortunately I don't have a video to upload on that. It was the power supply. Ended up getting to go to turn on and boot and actually play games. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video whenever I set up the internet or Ethernet card on it and a hard drive. Because I know there's not a lot of videos out there on that I've seen. So just bear with me. I will have another video coming up with that where I actually take and get the Ethernet working on it, because it's one of the old PS2, the fat ones. So we'll get that going and then get the hard drive going where we can store games, saves and stuff on the hard drive, and possibly I may try to do some emulation with it and maybe see if we can maybe put some ROMs on there and play them on the PS2. So bear with me on that, and hopefully that video will be up some point later this week. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Like, subscribe. We're almost at that 250 mark, so the sooner we get there, the quicker I can do a giveaway. And speaking of the giveaway, I've decided that depending on who wins, I'm going to give them a choice between some fishing stuff or the Xbox 360 that I repaired on this channel that they can have and do what they want with. If they want to keep it and play some games on it, or if they want to get rid of it, it's up to them. But I figure I'd give you guys the option. So once we get to 250, just keep whoever wins, I will let you know. You can tell me what you want. So like, subscribe, love you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.